How to fix Warzone memory error 0 to 1766 on PC and Xbox. 1. Check your internet connection. Google more tips to troubleshoot potential connection speed issue. 2. Perform a power cycle on your device. 3. Close other games and apps running in the background. Hint, for Windows users, run the Task Manager application. 4. Change display settings on Xbox, by modifying the resolution to 1080p. Path, settings display and sound video output. And disable the allow 4K and allow HDR in the advanced video modes. 5. Clear MAC address on Xbox by accessing alternate MAC address. Path, settings network settings advanced settings alternate MAC address. 6. For PC players, verify the integrity of game files in battle.net application. 7. Reset the Xbox console. 8. Windows users, troubleshoot in a clean boot state.